Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to add lens flare effects in After Effects. After starting After Effects, I have footage. This is downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop into After Effects projects, and then right-click and choose New Composition from Selection. So our composition is created and puts the footage into composition. Now I play the preview. So I want to add the lens failure effects from here to here. I stop it here and then I move the indicator to here, and then we can go to the layer and right click and choose new, and we can choose select. Next, we can choose the dark color. For example, I pick the black and press OK. I will keep this setting and press OK. So a black solid layer is created. And then we can go to Window and Show, Effects and Presets. Go to Effects and Presets panel, we can search Lens Flare. Make sure that we have selected the black solid layer, and then we can double click to apply lens flare into the black solid layer. Also, we can see the setting in the effects controls. So we can adjust the positioning, and we can change the style, and we can change the flare brightness. Now I go back to the default setting, and then we can go to the layer and show columns and show modes. In the modes, we can choose add, or we can choose screen, or we can choose linear dodge. It depends your situation. I will choose linear dodge, and then we can move the location to here. I think this is too bright, so I change it to 15%. So if you want to set the lens failure moving with the video, we can set the keyframe by clicking the time watch. So we can press U and show the keyframes here. Now I move to next second, and then move the flare to here. So we can preview it. The flare is following the sun. So this is how we can add lens flare in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.